Well, good morning, guys. Today we're going to be stress testing the spoiler I just put on about a month ago. Put it on early May. Here it is, early June in middle of Virginia, and it's been cold, so it's been kind of hard to get out on a warm day and really put it through its paces. Today, 62 is the high. It's weird. It's supposed to be like 85 this time of year, so kind of crazy. Well, in any case, we'll do a long drive. I'll show you the coolant temps, where it stays at while cruising especially. And this car has an amazing Burble tune with LG long tubes, high flow cats, and a Boat PRT. And it just sounds amazing. I want to try to capture that. So I'll do some fun flybys as well. So we'll roll a little intro, get a cold start, and go for a ride. All right, car's been warming up for about 5 minutes. Coolant temp's about 115. It is 60 degrees. Yes, it is June in Virginia. That is crazy. And again, when it gets really hot this summer, I'll do this again. I just want to show you guys in normal driving throughout most of the year what it's going to look like. Now, on average, before I did the splitter, my cruising temps and even idle temps was between 198 and 205. So we'll see how far of a departure it is from there. Gotta get gas first. We'll do that and we'll head off. All right, gassed up, we're off. We are at 194 right now as far as coolant. We're running about 10-15 minutes. I would do some highway cruising for about 10 miles or so. I'll try to get on a little bit, and then once we get where we're going, I'll do some hard pulls and try to film it, and I'll show you guys exactly where the coolant temperature is. And again, I wish it was warmer, guys. I apologize, I can't help that. But again, later on in the summer, I'll do it when it's warmer. All right, we've been cruising for about 8 miles or so, between 55 and 70. The temperature has not gone above 196, and again, it's chilly, so I know it's hard to take this test seriously, but that's where we're at right now. All right, out in the middle of nowhere here. I don't think we're on private property. We'll make this kind of short. Anyway, so coolant tips at 203. That's been a lot of stop and go the last probably 10 minutes. But cruising, it's been about 199. I can't get it much higher than that. So I'm gonna go mount this on the side of the road here and do a few drive-bys for you. All right, I was on private property. Some dude came over in a tractor, told me to get along. He was cool about it though. So find somewhere else. All right, headed somewhere else, do some flybys. I've been keeping this thing kind of high revved, kind of downshifting, getting on it. I cannot get this thing above 200 cruising. I'm at about 70, 66 right now. I mean, I know it's got a little warmer, but yeah, I'm putting it through its paces. So, all right, let me find somewhere else to turn around. All right, well that was fun. I actually ended up having to do those drive-bys in my neighborhood, so I'd be kind of civil. As far as the splitter, it's been on about a month. Car's filthy, sorry guys. A couple scrapes here and there, but it's still there. It's got some decent integrity to it. So I can tell you this much: if you live, you know, in the northern areas of the states or a cool climate, this is no issue at all. I will get a more real-world hot climate situation. Hopefully, the next few weeks when it gets above 90. My prediction is cruising, I'm gonna guess 204. Today I could barely get it to 198 cruising. Stop and go traffic about 203, which is about standard. But yeah, I'm not too afraid of it so far. And I hope you guys enjoy those little pops and burbles. It's always harder to get those on camera when you're inside the car. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this, and if you guys like the drive-bys and stuff, I'll get a proper cameraman, do some burnouts and stuff. We'll see. All right, guys, go enjoy your Sunday, and I'll see you guys next time. Mark out.